Welcome to our guide on ETF investing. Today, we're unlocking the potential of exchange-traded funds as a powerful vehicle for building wealth. Whether you're new to ETFs or seeking to refine your investment strategies, you're in the right place. ETFs offer a unique blend of flexibility and potential for financial growth, appealing to both novice and seasoned investors alike. In this video, we'll explore how strategic ETF choices can pave the way for significant earnings in the stock market. With the right approach, ETFs can be an essential part of your investment portfolio, helping you achieve your financial goals. So let's dive into the world of ETFs and discover how they can transform your wealth-building journey. Stay tuned as we uncover effective strategies to maximize your earnings and avoid common pitfalls. Your path to smarter investing starts here. In the world of ETF investing, even seasoned investors can stumble. It's all too easy to fall into common traps that can seriously hinder your returns. Let's shine a light on these pitfalls to help you steer clear of them. One of the biggest mistakes is not fully understanding the ETFs you're investing in, leading to poor decision-making and missed opportunities. Another frequent error is chasing high returns without considering the associated risks, resulting in volatile portfolios and potential losses. Many investors also overlook the importance of diversification, placing too many eggs in one basket, which can be disastrous if market conditions change unexpectedly. Additionally, neglecting costs like management fees and trading costs can slowly eat away at your gains over time. But fear not, because with the right strategies, you can avoid these traps and enhance your investment success. By adopting a strategic approach, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. As we move forward, we'll explore effective strategies to optimize your ETF investments, helping you maximize your returns while minimizing risks. Stay tuned to learn how you can transform these insights into action and achieve financial growth. In the world of ETF investing, strategies make all the difference. To truly maximize your returns, it's crucial to embrace a diversification strategy. By spreading investments across various sectors, you mitigate risks and stabilize potential returns. But diversification is only part of the equation. Cost effectiveness is another critical element. Seek out ETFs with low expense ratios to ensure more of your money is working for you, rather than being eaten up by fees. This savvy move can lead to significant savings over time, enhancing your investment growth. Timing is everything when it comes to investing. Understanding the distinction between long-term and short-term strategies can dramatically impact your financial outcome. Long-term strategies often weather market fluctuations better, providing a steady growth trajectory, while short-term strategies may capitalize on immediate market opportunities. By aligning these strategies with your financial goals, you're not just investing, you're setting the stage for sustainable financial success. It's about making informed decisions that align with your personal risk tolerance and market outlook. As we navigate through these strategic choices, remember that the goal is to build a robust and profitable ETF portfolio. Stay tuned as we delve into additional tips for maximizing your earnings, ensuring that every step you take in the market is a step towards greater financial prosperity. Let's dive into some practical tips to maximize your earnings from ETF investments. First, make it a habit to regularly review your portfolio. This ensures you stay aligned with your financial goals and adapt to any changes in the market. Next, keep yourself informed about current market trends. The stock market is dynamic, and staying updated can help you make timely adjustments to your investment strategies. Finally, don't overlook the power of leveraging tax advantages. Taking full advantage of tax-efficient strategies can significantly boost your overall returns. By incorporating these simple yet effective practices, you can enhance your earnings and ensure long-term growth in your ETF portfolio. Now, as we move forward, let's explore how these tips integrate with the broader strategies we've discussed. Stay tuned for a comprehensive recap and a call to action that will empower you to take charge of your investment journey. As we reach the conclusion of our journey into ETF investing, let's recap the key strategies that can transform your financial future. Remember, diversification, Cost-effective choices and a mix of long-term and short-term strategies are crucial for maximizing returns. Stay proactive by regularly reviewing your portfolio and keeping an eye on market trends. Now it's your turn to take action. Embrace these strategies, apply them diligently, and watch your investments flourish. Strategic ETF investing is not just about potential growth, it's about making informed decisions that secure your financial well-being. Start today and see the difference these strategies can make in your financial journey. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your success in the world of ETF investing.